Hello everyone. Microsoft has a free version of Microsoft Teams for personal use. It has quite a really good enterprise level features where you can have 300 participants, a maximum meeting duration of 60 minutes. You can even have the screen sharing, so this is great. These are the kind of features that even WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger does not have. So this free version is available for everyone to download. I will be guiding you step by step on how to set up the free version on your computer. Alright, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is open up this website. I will put the link in the description below. After you are on the website, click on download free desktop app. So once it is downloaded, please open the file. It will take some time to install. Once it is up, it will give you an option to log in. You need to have an Outlook account. Please sign in with your Outlook account. Once you sign in with your Outlook account or your Microsoft account, just click on personal. In the free version of the app, you have all the same features. You have the chat feature as well. You can add people by clicking on this option as you have in the enterprise level version, and you have the Teams option as well. You can create channels, you can add more people, and you have the meetings as well. You can start the meeting right away. You can even schedule the meeting. This is great for families where they want to plan a family outing. They can use this feature, or even small businesses where they have less than 100 employees. They can use this feature as well. They have the call feature as well. And the amazing thing about this is that you have the enterprise level features which are really good, like noise suppression. So this blocks all the noise if you set it to high, whichever is in the background, and it only will recognize your voice. So this is a great feature. So these are all the great features that are available in the free version. If you have any questions, please do comment, and if you like the video, please do subscribe and like, and please don't forget to hit the bell notifications icon for instant notifications as I upload videos every week. Alright guys, have a great day.